Now we will start with the enumeration sort. And we will compare now from the first element and second element. 10 is greater than 5. It's equal to true. Because the 10 is higher, then we will add 1 for number 10. Then the first element to third element, 10 is greater than 20. False. Because it's false, we will see that the 20 is higher than 10. Now, we will add 1 for 20. Then first element to 4 element, 10 is greater than 2. It's equal to true. Because it's true, we need to add another count for 10. And the first element to fifth, 10 is greater than 8. It's equal to true. Then add another 1 to 10. After all this step, we need to move from the second element, and we will not compare to reverse only, not to reverse only, only forward. Now the second element to third element, 5 is greater than 20, then equal to false. Because the 20 is higher, we will add 1 count and again in 20, and now 5 is greater than 2, it's equal to true, so we will add 1 count for number 5. Now we will create 5 and we will add 1. For 20, now we will start for the third element. Again, 20. So we will add 20 from 5, 20, 40. It's greater than 8. 5 is greater than 8, which is false. So we need to add 1 count for number 8. From here we can see we will add 1 count for number 8. Again, now we need to move to third element. 20 is greater than 2 is equal to true. Then again we need to add 1 for 20. Then 20 is greater than 8 is equal to true. Then add again 1 count for 20. Now let's move to fourth element. From fourth element, now moving forward, 2 is greater than 8 is equal false. Then we will add 1 count for number 8. Now you can see here. Now because we can compare now the last element, 2 now will be equal to 0. Because he's the lowest number. Then now we will use this in order to sort the array. Now, since the number 2 is the lowest, we will start from 0 for number 2. And it will be the first element. And the second element is 5. And the third element is 8. And the third element is 10. And the fourth element is 20. Now the sort using enumeration. Sorted in ascending order.